video, we're going to be doing a washing style because as you guys can see, B is slacking. You guys can see he's slacking. The best way for a medium texture waver to bounce back is a washing style. So that's basically what we're going to be doing in this video. We're basically going to be doing a washing style. So Benny, are you going to want to go ahead and tell them what we're going to be using?
This?
It's a Cantu shampoo, and then we're going to be using the Cantu moisturizing cream, basically a conditioner. I'm going to be using the water bottle because, again, sister's in the bathroom, takes forever. What are you doing? That's basically all we're going to be using, but yeah, that's it. So Benny, you want to go ahead and do the honors? You want to go ahead and do the honors and cover up the camera?
Bye.
You said what?
I should have taken off my shirt.
Why didn't you?
I forgot. My hair looks shiny.
We gotta go rinse it out. Let's go. The whole towel is soaked.
I think it feels dry.
Alright. Go ahead, do the camera thingy. Alright, so now we gotta use the conditioner. And do you want to take off your shirt, dude?
I think it's time.
You think you want to take off your shirt? Alright, take it off.
Make sure no girls are watching.
Bruh. Alright, I'll blur it out. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, blur it first.
I'm gonna blur it out. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
I'm a G like that.
No.
Look at your nipples. Look at your nipples. Look at your
okay, are you
nipples.
going to blur it?
Hey, I'm going to blur it out. All right. I'm going to blur it out. All right, ready?
It doesn't look great.
All right, we need to add a little bit more water.
The blur it. Jesus.
I did that last one on purpose. Okay. Come on. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a lot. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay.
Do you know what you're doing with
Yeah, of course I know what I'm doing. I'm 360 Woods. What you talking about?
So, you look like you don't know what you're doing.
Of course I know what I'm doing. 360
Yeah,
Woods.
you add too much. What?
It'd just be really lathery. Look, you'll see.
No. Oh, no! Oh, shit! There we go.
Is it cool? Is that low
It
enough?
looks a little bit
Oh, well,
wider. I'll be fine with all this lather in my hair, and then I wake up.
Not leather. Lather.
Lather in my hair until the next tomorrow.
And it'll get washed out. Oh, let me get your.
Now my chest's starting to hurt.
Your what?
Now my stomach, the stomach pain is gone. Now it's the chest pain.
Oh, is it because you're on there?
Yep.
What video are we going to do next week? Because we did the video with us cutting it off. And then now we did the video with
the washing style.
Yeah, now washing style. And I taught you how to brush.
Yeah.
We did that video. In the comments down below, what video do you guys want to see him in next time? You know, we need some new video ideas for Benny So Wavy. Because, yeah, we got nothing. But now, it's time for the drying process. What do you want to watch? Dennis.
Dennis Daily.
Well, it's not working, so we're gonna go. Bye. Come on, let's go, guys. Come on. We're gonna leave Benny. Bye, Ben. Bye. It's not working, so we're gonna leave. Bye.
Eventually.
You doing all right in here?
Yeah.
You doing all right in here? I'm sorry to leave you. Is it dry yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dry. All right, let's shut it off. You ready to show them the waves?
Yeah.
So Ben, what do you think? Huh? What do you think?
Like it.
You like it? We bounced you back. You gonna start brushing now?
I don't know where the brushes are.
Dude, you got your own brush. You keep losing it. You know what? We finally came up with the video idea together. It's the after wash method. If you guys want to see it, because I know he's tired, it's about 11 o'clock. If you guys want to see it, you know, drop down in the comments. Or if you guys have a different video idea, go ahead, drop it down in the comments below. But do you have the outro prepared?
What?
The outro.
Subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications.
Alright, he getting better. He getting better at it. But now it's time for my outro. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video. Because why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below. Because you guys already know. Leave you guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe because we're dropping fire videos just like this one. Especially if you guys want to see Benny So Wavy. And you know what? It's 360 Woods. And Benny So Wavy. And we out. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!